guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video. And in this video, this is kind of different video, because in this video, as I told you in past videos, I don't know what we have discussed, but as per watching this lecture, I got to know we are creating a fake access point, like a fake hotspot. Okay, what do we need here? What do we need in here? First of all, go into your VMware software, click play this virtual machine. Before playing this virtual machine, you should go into the settings of it. So in that, you should go and check it is a NAT connection, not. If it is not NAT connection, set it to NAT connection. Okay, and after that, start your Kali machine and type if config, and it will show it's 0, and at the same time it will show you some IP address. So if it is showing some IP address, as you can see, 10.20.14.233, sorry for saying 10 instead of 10.20, you know what I'm saying, right? It has an IP address, so this means it is connected. Okay, so this it0 is nothing but a wired connection established with the host computer. This, you see, this interface, this box herein, the virtual system will open up, and this background thing is the host computer. So whatever internet connection this host computer, that blue thing in the background, you can see this computer is having, this is what is going to get, let's say, transmitted to this virtual machine. Okay, so at the same time, you can see we have LAN 0 as well, like we have like Kali, like Iteros. I have Iteros as a wireless card. You can have any other one which has this monitor mode and a soft AP mode and packet injection mode and all. These three modes available to it, and those modes are stable as well. Anyway, you can see it has an IP address that I was talking about. That means it's connected. Okay, open your Kali machine and just type google.com. So google.com will open up. Da-da-da-da-da. So that means this blue computer is providing internet to the Kali machine. Understandable, right? Of course. So this, let's come back to the creating a fake access point thing. So we'll have a wireless card, and we'll have a hacker machine, and we'll have the internet, any internet provider. Like I'm using hotspot for my host machine, the blue machine, the main machine. Ha ha ha. And and the hacker machine which is connected to it will have a hotspot. Like the Kali machine should have a wireless adapter that supports AP mode. Okay, access point mode, fake access point mode. AP means, I guess, access point. Anyway, okay, at the same time, you can see I have, oh, this one, LAN 0. Let's go back to the first page when we did if config. You can see here it doesn't have an IP address. Does it have an IP address? No. Why? Because at the same time, if I do IP if config, it's done right. If I do IW config, okay, it's not done here in the lecture. If you do IW config, you'll get to know this wireless thing which is connected. I'll show you in the video. Is actually in a managed mode. It's not in a monitor mode or AP mode or anything. It has to be in a managed mode. You should keep that in mind, and it should not be connected to. Okay, so when you click on this place here, right? Oh God, click on this place. You know what I'm talking, this wire place. When you click on this wire place, what would happen? It will show that it is not connected to, basically ensure that it is not connected. Anyway, after that, search on the search bar. You go down here, and you in this place you search, and you search for Wi-Fi hotspot. You click on it. This good, easy to use, very friendly user interface will open up. You have to write an SSID here, like the name of your hotspot, like anything. You can write it MF, you can write it Yo Honey Singh, you can write anything here. You need to type in password here. We're setting password to open because we want many people to connect, so that we can, you know what, right? Wi-Fi interface, it should be LAN 0. Our hotspot, like Wi-Fi card, is named like default, by default it is named LAN 0. And you have to select internet interface. We have set it to H0 by default. It's fine. When you click on the advanced features, click on the advanced features. Yeah, so you'll get a lot of things in here running. Like you can use this when your system is you are having some issues creating the Wi-Fi hotspot. So you can come in here, like try tweaking a lot. You can even set Mac, like filter Mac and things like that. Like only search certain Mac address devices can connect, like no virtual and things like that. You know what I'm talking about. So one thing before moving forward, like after you have created, it will show you at down the PID. Like you can use it if it freezes by some chance, like this Wi-Fi hotspot freezes. You can go into the terminal and you can kill this very task PID. You're just using this We'll get to know how. I don't know myself right now. You'll have to Google it. Okay, anyway, so this is a virtual computer. Okay, this back thing you saw, this thing is the host computer. Similarly to this virtual computer Liskali machine, we can also set up this Windows machine. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna go into hotspot and try to connect. But wait a second, you should not do it. Why? Because you should have two Wi-Fi adapters. You don't have two Wi-Fi adapters. How do I explain you this? Let me just open Paint. So what is happening right now? Um, okay, this is the main computer. Okay, okay, and this is the Kali machine, and this is the virtual machine, another virtual machine, that is Windows. Let me give a K, and this is virtual Windows. Okay, so what is happening right now? Let me just draw. Let me draw a Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, what symbolizes Wi-Fi adapter? Let's just draw this. So Wi-Fi adapter is attached to this Kali machine. Okay. So, and at the same time, let me just draw some internet. Okay. The internet is provided to the main blue colored original machine. Let me just add some paint as well. So internet is provided in there. You see what I'm talking about? But it is not provided where? Straight up not provided to. Okay. So let me just draw some wires as well. So what is happening? This internet. So this internet. How do I say? Yeah, this internet is provided to this Kali machine, and at the same time, this internet is provided to this virtual Windows machine. Okay. Uh-huh. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, good. Yeah, it's fine. So, but what are we doing here? We are using a Wi-Fi hotspot. This Kali machine this Ethereum Zero, this Wi-Fi adapter. I have only one Wi-Fi adapter, and it can be installed in either of the three. Like you can use the Wi-Fi adapter, external Wi-Fi adapter on the Windows system, which we don't need because we already have it, and we have provided it internet connection using hotspot only, which I have connected with my phone. That's getting complicated, but basically you can connect it with the host machine. You can connect it with the hacking machine or the another virtual machine. So you can do either of the things. So what I have done, I have attached it with the Kali machine. So what you should not do, which you cannot do at the same time, um, is like if I create a fake access point. Okay, if I create a fake access point, like let's say like it created a fake access point. Why am I using so much of stuffs like this? God knows. So I created a fake access point. So let me edit it, make it blue. So I have created a hotspot. Okay. So the thing is, how can you connect? How how can this virtual machine get connected to this? It cannot get connected, right? You'd be saying, why would not be able to connect? Right. That kind of question can come in your head, right? Like why? Why this connection is not possible? This connection is not possible because it doesn't have a Wi-Fi hotspot. It just has a wired connection to the host machine. Hmm. So basically, if even if I do this, like open a wireless this, and I try to connect, I won't be able to connect because I will not have a hotspot. Okay, okay, okay. But if that is the case, but can this host machine which has a Wi-Fi hotspot, can it get connected to that place, to this Kali machine's Wi-Fi hotspot? You think, but I would say it won't be able to connect because the time you'll try to make it get connected, in my case at least, it has to get disconnected with the mobile phone it has an attached to, like for hotspot. It has got attached to for hotspot. You understand what I'm saying, right? Right. So this internet is provided to the main machine through the hotspot. So no, you can't do this, you can't do this. But by chance, if you create, if you have a virtual machine like this, you have two virtual machine. I'm saying Wi-Fi card. You have two Wi-Fi cards, and now you have a Wi-Fi card for this Windows machine as well. This Windows machine as well. Okay, this is a different Wi-Fi card. This is a different Wi-Fi card. This is a different Wi-Fi card. You bought two Wi-Fi cards. Now it is advised never ever try to get connected to this calling machines fake IP. Why? I don't know. It is just strictly said no. That's all I know right now, and that's all. You understood it, right? Hopefully you did. So how can we test it? Um, Very good question. How can we test it? So I have one phone with me. I'll try connecting with it with that to check if the hotspot is available or not. At least I can check for the availability of the, like, at least a fake IP is created or not. Anyway, you got my point, right? So I have already added this here. So what are the few things which we will be doing right now? Is checking if it is connected to the NAT. Yeah, it is connected to the NAT, but at the same time checking for if config, and checking like, yeah, it is having an IP address like that. Is my video getting recorded in the first place? Yeah, it is. Okay, buddy. Okay, it is showing that Wi-Fi card is not connected. Let me get it connected, man. Disconnect from the host, and I think it got connected. No, it's still not showing. Hmm. Why, bro? Trying to connect. IW config, sorry. IW config. Okay, we have LAN 0 in a managed mode. I do if config. Oh, if config. Yeah, LAN 0 is showing here and it is not connected. The same situation is like situation is same. So what we do right now, we go to Wi-Fi and we click on Wi-Fi hotspot, and let's name it internet, and let's keep it open. Let's not save any password. LAN 0, it's 0, everything's fine. Let's go check advanced features. Do we need to touch the advanced features? I guess no. Do you need to connect a device? No. Let's create a hotspot, and it will provide an PID. Okay, it seems like we have created. You know what, if the internet this access has been created, let's search for it. Oh my god, do you see this? We have internet connection there, but you know what, I can't do that. I mean, I can't open it. So let me connect this. Let me try connecting this to this internet connection using my Samsung's phone. Okay, I should not give out information about what kind of phone I'm having. Because I can be exploited, bro. I've already added so much of stuff online that any hacker can go and like hack me. But who cares? In the learning process we are. Okay. So let me show you my device. So let me just show you SRC SRC SRC. Where is the SRC? Where is SRC? Anyway, let's just go into desktop and let's search for SRC. Okay, let's run it. Okay, crazy. Looks like the phone is switched off. Yeah, the phone is switched off. Uh, Basically, what would happen? I think it will be successful. Basically, whoever will get connected to this hotspot, internet one, and will try to access the internet, you will become the same man in the middle. For like you used to do that ARP spoofing thing, you need not to do that. You have to just get people to connect to this. Simple as that. How can you do that? Basically, you can make this like, for example, this hotspot unavailable. You can continuously, like, one after another, you can do Wi-Fi the authentication for the person, so that he forcefully create a hotspot name Mohammed Sadaf Hashmi, Mohammed Sadaf iPhones, and you know what I'm saying, right? And the person would get frustrated and straight up get connected to your ones, and he'll be happy, he'll be fine. and then you have become the man in the middle. That's all for the video. I'll catch you up later. Till then, take care. Be safe. Keep hacking. Be safe.